Hello, everybody. Welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be discussing the Amazon Business Prime card and why I think this is an important card for you to add to your portfolio, especially during Prime Day. All right, let's get into it. So the Amazon Business Prime card offers 5% back or 90-day terms on products purchased at Amazon Business, AWS, or Amazon.com or Whole Foods. So that's an excellent return on your purchases if you choose the 5%. They also offer 2% back on US purchases at restaurants, gas stations, and wireless phone services purchased directly from service providers. 2% back on restaurants, gas, those are pretty industry standards right there. They also offer 1% back on other purchases with the Amazon Business Prime card. So again, those are pretty good deals on, cash back. And everybody pretty much uses Amazon. So you'd be getting a good return on your spending when you're spending on Amazon.com or any Amazon related business. So the reason why I actually applied for this card was, if you look where the red arrow is, there's a limited time offer. And this is just an example on a Samsung Galaxy phone. But they're offering $200 Amazon gift card and also knocking $200 off of the purchase price of the item that you're getting. Again, I'm just using this as an example. But there are many different deals on Amazon.com right now because of Prime Day, July 11th and July 12th. So if you are in the market for making any Amazon purchases and applying for a Amazon Business Prime card, this is something you should really consider because you can get some excellent deals. So the reason why I actually applied for this card at this time is I actually did need a new cell phone for my business. My old phone broke. I needed a new phone, and this was the perfect time to do it during Prime Day. So now I'm going to walk briefly through the application tips of filling out the application online. And these tips are important. I'm not going to go over the whole application. I'm just going to give you some tips on what I actually put on my application to help improve your chances of getting approved for this card. So my stated business annual income, $3,000. It's a new business and I currently do not have income coming in on this business. However, over a 12-month span, I do plan on making at least $3,000. Less than 1 year in business. And this is a part on the application that some people will talk about and say you should never put less than 1 year in business. You should always put between 1 and 2. However, I'm just being honest on this application. And I always encourage people to be honest on their applications. Do not lie. The industry, I put other. The reason why I put other is because it didn't fall into nonprofit. It didn't fall into commercial or any other areas that they had on the application. The industry is actually another YouTube channel that I'm working on. Company structure, sole prop. Okay, so this is when you are the sole owner of the business. Okay, I do have an LLC, but I'm not using my LLC for this purpose. Estimated monthly spend, and this was optional, and I put $500. So I estimate that I'll be spending $500 a month over a 12-month span on this card. And again, this is just an estimate. So guess what happened next when I applied for the Amazon Business Prime card? I received this pop-up notification in my email and on my phone, basically stating that we're excited you applied for a card with American Express. However, you need to contact us because there's something in the application that's not right, or we need to ask you further questions. Okay. And this happens. I was kind of surprised to get this as I had 4 other cards with American Express and I never ever saw this before. So I reached out to customer service. I talked to a great rep on the phone for about 5 minutes, and all they needed was to verify that I was who I was. Once I gave them that information, I got another notice that said I was approved. And I was extremely happy. And I'm not going to lie, when I got that pop-up message about contacting Amex, I was kind of nervous. I thought I was going to be denied, but I was very happy to be approved. not only am I going to be getting a new phone, I'm also going to be getting that $200 bonus card, and I'm going to be getting money off of the phone as well too, because it's Prime Day. So next, I'm going to go over the data points really quickly. So my experience score at the time when I applied was 725. My TransUnion score was 701, and my Equifax score was 710. And I was approved for a $3,000 limit. That's not anything that's huge, but again, I have about $34,000 in business credit now between two cards, or between three cards actually. So that's not too bad. I'm not complaining at all. As soon as I was approved for the card, I immediately received a hired inquiry on my Experian report, even though I have 4 cards with Amex already. And again, it's usually a soft inquiry, but I got one this time, maybe because it's a business card. Whatever the issue is, I'm not really upset at it. It's just one inquiry on my Experian report, and now I have 2 on file. That's it. So again, if you are, in the market to get a new business card, add it to your portfolio. This is something that I recommend. Everybody shops on Amazon. Plus, you get your money off your Prime Day purchases, and you get a bonus card. You really can't go wrong. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you like this content, please comment, like, and subscribe. See you later.